Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome to 2021. I know that 2020 was definitely a tumultuous and chaotic year, and 2021 is shaping up to be equally as a little bit crazy, but we know things are going to settle down. So I just wanted to come talk to you about all that's going on in the world of finance. So, number one, as you've probably heard, the second round of the PPP has been approved. What does this mean for you? If you have 300 employees or less, and you received the first round of PPP and you're still operational, meaning you're still open, you're still paying salaries, and you had a 25% decrease in revenue in 2020 compared to 2019 in either the year overall or in any one quarter, then you can apply for a second round of the PPP payment. What will happen is, for the most part, you're going to have to go with the bank that you got your first loan from, unless there was a problem or there's some type of situation that won't allow you to do that, such as they may not no longer be doing the second round of PPP. If that's you, then you can go to a new bank, but you will have to give them all of the information that you gave to the first round lender. If you go back to the same bank that you went to the first time, you will just have to submit very little application and a little bit of documentation. And so we are recommending that you go back to your original lender. But don't be alarmed. As you've probably been hearing, the PPP applications have already opened if you are doing a first round application. That doesn't apply to you. So most banks for the second round are not going to be taking applications until the last week in January, the very first week in February. So don't be alarmed. We will not miss the window. If that is you, if you need to get a second round of the PPP, we will notify you as soon as the lenders start opening up the portal, because many of you, we did it with a variety of different banks. So none of them have opened up their portals for the second round of PPP. As soon as it opens, we'll be notifying you. We'll be working on those applications. We'll make sure that you are in the loop so that you can immediately reach out to them to get funding. Now, if you have never applied for the PPP loans, those portals are open now, right now, today, January the 12th. Those portals are open today. So if you have never applied for a PPP loan, you need to have, you have to gather all of your documentation. You have to have a tax return. If that is you, please reach out to us for help. We can assist you with that application. Also, the other big news that I personally was really excited about for all of our clients is that one of the things that the CARES Act did, the second round of the CARES Act did, was it allowed us to now deduct all of our expenses from the PPP on the tax return. So that was a major win. It also says that any idle advance money that you got will not offset, will not reduce your PPP forgiveness. So PPP forgiveness is next up on our radar. If you got a loan for $150,000 or less, they are putting out a simplified one-page application that will take probably 15 minutes or less, just to say how you use the money, you sign your name and you send it in, and pretty much your loan is forgiven. If that's not you, and we have to do a more extensive application, we will begin working on those in February and March, because we do have to, we want to get those submitted timely. So we have not forgotten. We were just waiting, holding off, because the SBA keeps changing their forms and we don't want to submit the information and then have to redo it. So if you got a PPP loan originally for $150,000 or less, we just need to fill out the one-page application, and we're here to support you through that. So looking forward to talking to you soon. Tax season is creeping up upon us in addition to all of this other stuff, but we're here to support you and looking forward to working with you again this year. Thank you so much for always being a part of the Premier Group family, and talk to you soon.